So this video is going to cover the use of our fusing press that we have in the studio. This is always switched off, but you are more than welcome to switch it on when you wish to use it. So we have the main switch on the wall and we have an on-off switch here on the panel. Now if you switch it on, you are responsible for switching it off. Even if someone comes along and says, oh, I'm going to use it in a minute, well, they can switch it on, okay? So you must switch it off. Now we have two displays. Our first one here with our lovely symbol with a clock underneath is the timer. So at the moment it's set for 7 seconds. Our other display is in centigrade, so this is the temperature it will get to. You want that up to about 210 as an average, which will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Think of it as like switching on your oven before you put something into it. It takes time to warm up. So in saying that, this gets extremely hot. So we don't want to touch anything up here, but we can touch the bottom bed. This is used for fusing interfacings to fabric and often transfers onto t-shirts. Each product you buy will give you a time and a temperature to use it. So check those details before you set the presser bed. So with your fabric, you would place it on the bottom bed. Make sure it's nice and flat. You would have your transfer print or your interfacing on the top. Then using the black handles only, we would pull down the top bed and lock it into place. Our countdown display will go to 0 and we have an alarm. Now it is not a cause for panic. We can then gently release the lock and lift the lid. Nothing is going to happen. But if we panic, we risk touching the presser beds. That will take your skin off your hands, okay? It is that warm, so please be cautious there. So once we've finished, we switch it off on the machine and off at the mains, and then it's good to go then for the next person.